Hey everybody, just a quick thing. I'm unboxing my Husqvarna 445 Rancher chainsaw today. I bought this in Cape Coral and I have not used it yet, but I'm just unboxing it. It's brand new, hasn't been used yet, and we've been here about 3 months. But as you can see out here, I got some down trees that I'm gonna chop up here for some firewood, and hopefully we can get this thing fired up. So that's the Husqvarna 445 Rancher, 20-inch bar on it. All right. Okay, everybody. So here's the chainsaw. Just got done chainsawing this log up, and it's cutting through it like butter. But this is seasoned log. It's been down for a couple years, so but it does cut through it really nice. It's got a nice grain cut, nice and smooth. There's a hammer. What you doing?
Yeah.
What
Pulling out a nail that didn't go in right.
Yeah, what you building?
I am building a doghouse. Oh.
Something for the cold weather for the doggy. You want me to give it a try?
Yeah. Pull that
Here,
one
hold
out.
this.
You can just bang it down if you can't get it out.
It's coming.
Good, thank you.
Hey everybody, I showed you the other day my wife started building a doghouse, and she's doing a great job, man. Look at this. That's a doghouse right there. And she's building a side door right now. Here we go. She's got a metal roof on it. And here I'll show you inside. And she's building a door on this side here. And this is where our dog Isis is going to live for the winter. So make sure he's warm. And speaking of the master builder, here she comes.
Hello.
You built this thing?
I did.
All by yourself?
For our old lady.
Yeah, you built it all by yourself?
I did. I built it all by myself.
Look at that doghouse. She built that all by herself. I'm so proud of my wife.
I did do it all by myself.
All right. So there we go. We got a doghouse coming together, almost done. We're excited about it. Dog will be warm. All right. Bye-bye.
Bye. Good afternoon, everybody. It is pretty cold here. As you can tell, my cheeks are a little rosy. It's about 32 degrees, but I've been working on a project this week because it's getting cold. And although we had a little makeshift shelter for our older dog, it wasn't good enough for winter. So right here, let's see if you can see behind me. This is Isis. She is 16 years old. Actually, I think 17 now, getting ready to be 17. I adopted her from the Humane Society back in 2010. Hi there, girl. She's old. She can't hear very well and she doesn't see very well. She loves the farm, but she does not like farm animals, which is why she has to be on the tether. We weren't sure if she was going to make it here, but we're glad to have her. So we just got done building her winter shelter, and right over here is a door on the side with a little latch that I can open it up and I can clean out the straw. She's always been an indoor-outdoor dog, but she is incontinent when she sleeps now, so that's why I built her the nice doghouse, so she could be out here. And I come out every morning and spend some time with her. Here, come here, let me get your picture. Look at you. Yes, you's a good girl. Yes. Look up here. Hey. Say hi there. No, she's gonna go try to chase the chicken. She's such a good girl, though.
Hey, good morning, everybody. It's literally freezing out here. You can see my lawn is completely frosted over. It's really super cold this morning. I don't even know what the temperature is, but I'm out here burning my trash again, and just want to say good morning and hope everybody's getting ready for Christmas next week. We got some excitement going on this weekend, and I just want to share it with you real quick. Is our son George is coming home from leave from the United States Marine Corps. We're picking him up at the airport tomorrow night, and he's going to be here for about 10 days, and we are excited, and we're going to spend Christmas with our youngest, and it's just going to be a lot of fun, and we're super excited. He's never even seen the farm. He left for the Marine Corps before we bought this place, so he has no clue about what we've been doing. He's just been watching YouTube like you guys. So we're excited about him coming and him enjoying himself here as our visitor. So I just want to thank you guys for watching this week. We had a lot of fun building that doghouse and doing the things that we do here and just sharing our week with you. So we love you guys. We appreciate you guys, and we just thank you for following along with us as we go through this adventure out here, especially in the Arctic weather. Us Floridians are usually not this cold, so this is new for us, and but we're enjoying it. So may the Lord bless you and keep you, and may his face shine upon you in Jesus' name. Thanks, guys. See you later.